and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Spring Basket Vignette Challenge hosted by my good friend Lauri from Creative Lauri. And she wanted us to make a vignette out of a basket. So for that, I'm using this old basket I had at home. It's really old and pretty well loved. Some Easter eggs I found at Walmart long time ago and I hot glued them so they stay closed. These flowers I found them at the dollar store a long time ago. Those are orchids. And these ones too, I found them there at the dollar store. They're so beautiful. And some eucalyptus I have left over from a project. These cotton stems I use as my tree topper for Christmas. And our bunny, so let's get started. Our rules were to use a basket, greenery, floral, or both. Spring character like a chicken or a hen, don't spend any money, and think outside the box. First, we're going to take some of this craft paper to hold our bunny because I won't be adding moss. I didn't have moss at home. And now I'm taking this eucalyptus, bending it, and putting one on each side of my bunny. Like that. Continue bending until I have them where I want them. Now I'm going to add my cotton stems. Like that. I bend them too. One on each side. And now I'm taking my flowers and cutting some of them and adding them to my basket. Like that. I'm adding white and pink orchids. Now I'm adding some eggs and I'm going to continue adding some flowers. Like so. Just like that. And add all of my eggs. Like that. Add a couple more flowers because they are so beautiful. And that's it. You have it, our spring basket. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our flowers, our eucalyptus, our cotton, our eggs, so cute, and our beautiful bunny. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to our challenge host. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Lauri for this awesome challenge. I love what I created and this looks so beautiful. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.